Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix proximity sensor and the black screen on call issue on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's check the functionality of the proximity sensor. To do that, open settings on your smartphone, go to About Phone, then go to Details, Info and Specifications. In this menu, we're going to have to find Kernel version and tap on this option several times until we open the CIT menu. And in this menu, go to position number 22. 22 is the proximity sensor. Let's open it. And now here, unfortunately, as I have figured out, we cannot really test and calibrate this sensor here. But generally speaking, the 5.0 value means that the proximity sensor on your device is working properly. And if you see 0.0 right here, then this means one of the three things: that either your proximity sensor isn't working properly and you're gonna have to reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue and let them take care of your device, or maybe your proximity sensor, which is located right here, by the way, is blocked by either your protective case, so the case of your smartphone, so you can remove the case of your smartphone and check the value once again after re-entering this menu, or try to make a call and see if this problem is gone. You can also check if it's not blocked by your screen protector, and if it's blocked by a screen protector, you're gonna have to remove it for it to work properly. Or maybe your earpiece is simply clogged with something, and you're gonna have to use some soft brush to remove any debris that could have get stuck in here. Now, do not use any metallic tools ever to get in here. Just try to unclog your earpiece using a soft brush. And if you see 5.0 but your proximity sensor is still faulty, then the only thing we can do right here is go to the apps menu in your settings. Let me reapply the case. Now, in the apps menu, we're gonna have to swipe down to phone and phone services. So let's open phone, tap clear data. Let's select clear all data. Then in phone services, and let's do the same thing. This will clear the cache and the data for our phone application. Then you're gonna have to reopen your phone app and try making a call again and see if this helps you. Now, also restart your phone by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe down to reboot, or power off your phone and then power it on after a couple of minutes, so that we can be sure that all the temporary data was removed from your phone. But usually this would be enough. So after that, try making a call again and see if the problem has gone away. And if not, just try using some other calling application. If it doesn't work with another calling application, so like WhatsApp or Messenger, then at this point you should definitely reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.